Welcome to Insights with Anastasia. Today, I'm going to share with you three key lessons that I learned in 2023 working as a full-time data analyst in the US. It's been 2 years since I moved here, and there have been a lot of ups and downs. This year, particularly, was very transformative and challenging for me. So that's why I'm super excited to share those lessons with you. Let's get started. So, lesson number one, you might never feel ready. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, just one more book and I will start applying for jobs? Or I need to finish this advanced Python course and I will confident enough to ask for promotion? So the truth is, you might never feel 100% confident, especially when you try to tackle something truly challenging or starting a new thing. This is an illusion our brain creates to keep us within our comfort zone. And yes, our brains aren't exactly our biggest supporters. Actually, it took me a year to post my first YouTube video. I had everything to do it. I had all the equipment. I was always waiting for this magical feeling of readiness. It never came. So eventually, I just pushed myself and published the first video, even without feeling 100% confident. And I was terrified. But nothing bad happened so far. So, lesson number two, don't be afraid to look stupid or ask stupid questions. So, back in Russia, I had a pretty successful career in digital marketing. I had a lot of friends and colleagues that knew me as a very good professional. So, and I felt confident and I felt very proud of my work. Now, imagine me moving to another country, starting a new career after 3 years of career break, maternity leave, and using a language that I had never used professionally before. I felt embarrassed rehearsing tell me about yourself answer for the interview question because words just didn't flow smoothly in English for me. Even now at work, I sometimes feel stupid when I don't understand what other people mean, and I'm terrified to ask what I perceive as stupid question. The good news is people don't usually see us and our questions as stupid. They see us as curious and brave because honestly, everybody has those moments of hesitations. So, my advice, just go ahead and ask. Lesson number three, take care of yourself and your mental health. Starting a new career, moving to another country, or even looking for a new job, those are all incredibly time consuming and challenging for mental health things. You have to constantly push yourself, even if you're tired and if you're lacking motivation. You have to overcome fear of judgment, fear of looking foolish, and even fear of failing. And that's tough. So that's why it's absolutely essential to take care of your mental health if you want to create sustainable success. This year, I literally had to learn how to take care of myself. I didn't know how to, and it took a toll on me. So now, rest and preventative mental health care are built into my schedule. So it can be as simple as a weekly coffee chat with your friend or weekly therapy session, or something that you like and enjoy. I personally love getting full body massages once a month. It's incredibly relaxing for both my body and my mind. I just love it. But if you feel that preventative care isn't enough for you, please don't hesitate to reach out for professional help to a therapist or psychiatrist. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of you taking care of yourself so you can take care of everything else. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year. Bye.